back to my channel. So the other day I went to IKEA for the first time in months. I felt that I needed to go and get a few bits to make our space a bit more organised. So anyway, today I thought I would share a little mini haul and a few of the tips that I use to not blow the budget. And as I'm popping into IKEA, I realised that there's trolleys there, but I actually decided not to get a trolley because I felt like it was going to encourage me to spend more money. So one of the first things I spotted was this gold plant pot, and straight away I had visions of using it for my Budget Planner 3 launch because there's a certain aesthetic that I'm going for. So I was walking around IKEA just holding this, then I spotted this mirror, and this mirror brings me right back to being a teenager because I used to have one of these all the time. I don't know what happened to it. I think I broke it and I had it on my list to get the next time I go to IKEA, but that never happened and I completely forgot. Getting ready can sometimes be a bit tough because I often have to go into the bathroom to like do my hair or do my makeup, and then I saw this because I'll be able to do it downstairs whilst I'm looking after my daughter and I won't have to go into the bathroom. Then I'm continuing through IKEA, and as you know, it's like a one-way system, so it's really hard not to browse. Then I spot something and I see a cable tie there. Straight away I know I want it, and under our TV it's quite messy and I've been meaning to tidy that for a while. So when I saw this cable tidy, I knew I definitely need to get this. This is going to be so handy. It's quite big and it's quite long, so I'm wondering if I'll be able to use it for under the desk as well, because if so, that's a double win. And this wasn't on the list. Next I popped over to get some dividers for my chest of drawers, because often I find myself searching for tops and find myself searching for my PJs in my drawers, and no matter how many times I try and tidy them up, they're always messy. So I've got some for myself, and these were £5 I think. There's 6 little boxes in them, all different sizes, so I'm really looking forward to organising my drawers. So as I'm walking through, I'm seeing there's actually quite a few items in the sale, and it's like, oh, this is such a brilliant time, because I remember reading an article a few days ago that said IKEA had a sale and there was going to be lots of items at a discount. I think for me personally, there was lots of brilliant offers there, so it's definitely worth trying to plan your trips to go around about sale time. As I was walking around, an item that I did have on my list was a toilet roll holder. Keep the toilet roll in the storeroom, but recently I found that we just constantly keep like running out. I figured, why not just get a toilet roll holder, and I got this. Got this toilet roll holder, and this was £6. Then as I'm walking through, I've literally got loads of items, so I can't wait until we get to the trolleys to like throw everything in, because I'm like dropping everything. Then I see these picnic blankets, and this wasn't on my list once again, but I saw this and I remember that I used to have one a few years back. This will be so good for when we go out and we have picnics or we meet up with family and friends. Really big as well, and it was only £1.50, so I'm definitely happy that I saw this. It wasn't on the list at all, but we're having a summer where we're going to be doing lots of cost-free activities. In the same section I saw these blackout blinds and I thought, perfect. This was on the list, and that's because my daughter always wakes up really early. She wakes up at 4 o'clock thinking it's playtime, especially since it's been getting lighter earlier. It means that she's been waking up earlier and wanting to start the day. So I wanted to try some blackout blinds, and then I also got this washing basket. This washing basket was on the list, and that's been on the list for a little while. One thing I like to do when I go to IKEA especially is delay my trip to IKEA, because it's one of those places where you do find yourself just spending on lots of items. But I did need a washing basket because that other one is completely worn in. I was so tempted to just get the cheaper one that's £3. My children have those, but because our washing basket is sort of like the main washing basket with like all the bedding that will go in there as well, I wanted to get something that was a bit more sturdier. It looks a little bit smaller than our current one, but I guess it's a bit more of an incentive to stay on top of the washing. As you know, I create budget planners and planners for special occasions, and over the last year it's really sort of grown and our kitchen's becoming like this little mini office, and I like to try and keep our small space as organised as possible, and I really needed something for the bags. And then I'm wrapping it up. Not done too much damage, I'm going to go straight to the tills. As you know, IKEA and many other stores have lots of things buy the tills that can tempt you. So when I got to the tills, I saw this. So all in all, I'm really happy with everything I got. Quite a few of the items wasn't on my shopping list, but the items that I know, it wasn't just an immediate impulse. And so my goal was to spend roughly around £30, spending £40. I did go over budget, not too bad, and that was my trip to IKEA. So thank you so much for watching, and I'll speak to you soon. Bye.